Hey girls, this is an exciting video. I got a parcel from another YouTuber. Her name is Sarah. I believe her channel name is Sarah Taryn, I think. So yeah, I just covered up the addresses, but she sent me some period products. So yeah, just gonna open this up. Give me 1 second. So yeah, here in this bag, I have the period products that she sent me. Let me open the bag. Okay. The first things are the Uvi Kotex Fitness Liners. I've never tried these before. Hold on, I'll just open it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I think these are the long liners. Yeah. Just want to test the stickiness. Oh, wow. They have really good stickiness, so that's good. They're pretty soft, and they have pretty cool packaging. Okay, so these 3 pads are the Vita pads. Okay. So these are pretty soft. This is what it looks like. Trying to test the stickiness on these too. Seems pretty good. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these. So yeah, this is everything that she sent. So thank you so much. And I hope to do a storage video soon.